So next I'm in the dining room. And they got some cute chair rail paneling going on. And the floors are kind of uneven. You can't really tell on this video. And they're a little squishy, which I expected. There's a gas hookup. Something used to be there. And it's a little squishy, and probably because the water rolls down, and it does seep through. It does seep through. So that's non-usable. That's just to cover up the equipment. And the floor is rolling right here. And I'm not sure what this room would be. It has the bathroom off of it, but I don't believe it would be a bedroom because you gotta walk through a room to get to the bathroom.